We might get to see this thing dug out of here. She's kind of buried in the weeds. Oh, Pontiac Sunbird. Looks reasonable. Yep, Sunbird. Rust. Well, that don't look too bad back there. Back end looks complete. Little notch back unit. Show you inside. Stuff. Loads of stuff. She ain't in great shape, but it's got door panels, no front seat. Looks like a back seat. Pieces and parts and such and things. But we might see what this thing's all about. What do you think? Worth doing something with? Well, hey, stay tuned. We'll see if the weather cooperates and I can get this thing drug out. Hey, thanks for watching.